So in maxima minima, activity number 3. If Mr. Pritesh orders X chairs at price P is equal to 2x square minus 12x minus 192 per chair, show that the cost of the deal is minimum using following activity. Therefore, I will solve the same question again. So आपको पूरा बॉक्सेस में जो भी फिल करना है वो आप फिल कीजिए. ठीक है. Learn total question first. So what is given? Mr. Pritesh orders X chairs. Therefore, number of chairs is equal to X. And what is the price? P is equal to 2x square minus 12x minus 192 per chair. Right? Therefore, what is the cost function? F of x is equal to price into number of the chairs. That is equal to 2x square minus 12x minus 192 into x. Multiply with x and remove the bracket. 2x square into x. 2x cube. 12x into x. 12x square minus 192 x. This is f of x now. Correct? Now, आपको क्या find out करना है? Show that the cost of the deal is minimum. If the concept is related to maxima and minima, you have to do differentiation 2 times. Yes? Now, एक बार करेंगे. f dash x क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 2 और x cube means 3x square. Therefore, 2 3s are 6 x square minus 12 2s are 24 x minus 192. Correct? So, maxima minima means double dash find out करना है. Right? Now, f double dash x क्या हो जाएगा? 6 2s are 12x minus 24. Now, we need to find the value of x. Therefore, put f dash x equal to 0. What gives? Implies, what is f dash x? 6x square minus 24x minus 192 equal to 0. So, each and every term contains 6. Then divide or common factor 6 ले लीजिए. Then आपको हो जाएगा x square minus 4x minus 32. Now factorization कीजिए. minus 32 का factors क्या हो जाएगा? 8 and 4. तो minus 4x is there. तो minus 8 plus 4. Now factorize it. X square minus 8x plus 4x minus 32. Therefore, x minus 8 into x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, what are the values of x? X is equal to 8 r and r जो भी आप ले सकते हैं. x is equal to minus 4. Now, आपको find out करना है whether the function is minimum at x is equal to 8 or at x is equal to minus 4. तो वो कहाँ substitute करना है हमें अभी? f double dash पे substitute करना है. Right? Now, f double dash x is 12x minus 24. Now, f double dash 8 find out करेंगे. 12 into 8 minus 24, which is 12 8 means 96 minus 24, which is equal to 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 2 7, which is greater than 0. Right? If f double dash is greater than 0, then it is minimum. Therefore, f double dash 8 is equal to 72, which is greater than 0. Therefore, f is minimum for x is equal to 8. Therefore, Mr. Pritesh should order 8 chairs for minimum cost of the deal. Got it? Yes. Now, next activity discuss करेंगे हम. Yeah. So, chapter is increasing and decreasing functions. Activity number 4. The total cost of manufacturing X articles is C is equal to 47x plus 300x square minus x power 4. Find x for which average cost is increasing first case, decreasing using following activity. Now I will solve the complete sum and check it and fill the boxes. Right? That is your work. Okay? Yeah. So, fourth activity, total cost of manufacturing X articles. Therefore, number of articles equal to X and cost function C of X, that is C, is given as 47x plus 300x square minus x power 4. Right? Next, find X for which average cost is first bit increasing and second bit decreasing using following activity. Right? Now, we are following the activity. Therefore, average cost CA क्या हो जाएगा? Cost of the article by number of the articles. Correct? तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 47x plus 300x square minus x power 4 by x. Now, divide with x each and every term. Right? तो डिवाइड करने के बाद आपको आ जाएगा 47 प्लस 300x माइनस x क्यूब. दिस इज एवरेज कास्ट फंक्शन. राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंशिएशन DCA अपॉन, क्योंकि हमको इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग फाइंड आउट करना है, तो DCA बाई DX क्या हो जाएगा? 47 इज ए कांस्टेंट, 0 प्लस 300 इंटू एक्स मीन्स 300 माइनस एक्स क्यूब मीन्स 3x स्क्वायर. सो DCA upon DX is equal to 300 minus 3x square. Now, first one increasing दिया है. If CA, that is average cost function, is increasing, when it is increasing? If and only if the differentiation first derivative is greater than 0. That means 300 minus 3x square is greater than 0. 300 is greater than 3x square. Therefore, 100 is greater than x square. Now, what means? It is an inequality. Therefore, x square is less than 100. Therefore, x is less than 10. So, it is plus or minus 10, but it is related to cost function. Therefore, we will consider only positive value. Therefore, for x less than 10, the function is increasing. Now, second one. If CA is decreasing, then what is the condition? DCA upon DX is less than 0. Therefore, 300 minus 3x square is less than 0 means 300 is less than 3x square, 100 less than x square. Therefore, x square is greater than 100. Therefore, x is greater than 10. Therefore, average cost function is decreasing for x greater than 10 and it is increasing for x less than 10. Right? So, completely 2 problems learn कीजिए and fill the gaps. ठीक है? Yeah.